the NSS yenchiao mimi area me mpika me say because of Sikawe me mpika me say me ntwa I should go and tell my colleagues again to enjoy. Until when, yes, I can mention his name. On a was and so watching. Back to my MP. Yes, he told me. He told me that. He told me that. Says he can't ma. That's the end swap by end so I enjoy. Please, we've had enough.
Enough is enough. Pay us now.
Yeah, enough is enough. Pay us now. Saying any member we are necessary for Ghana has since 2017 they have not been paid. Now one issue aban komodi we nyina mu no ye abaya na obo eye Asenso Boakye din eye MP for Bantama. We have a response from the NP. Now let me seize the opportunity na menkaino ewo brofo kasa mi wia na ya kire mu ewo twi kasem. As a press statement, false allegations circulating on social media. My attention has been drawn to a video circulating on social media in which a young lady claiming to be a student nurse alleges that during the election period she approached me over unpaid nursing trainee allowances and that I told her if she won't vote because of her allowance has not been paid, then that's fine. For the avoidance of doubt, I have never had any such encounter or conversations with this individual, nor with any student nurse regarding allowances. There is no nursing training institution in my constituency, Bantama. While Komfanoche Teaching Hospital has a nursing school, it does not fall under the Bantama constituency. I therefore have no direct constituency dealing with nursing trainees. In all my years of public service as a leader, as a legislator, a former minister of state, and a deputy chief of staff at the presidency, I have never been responsible for the administration of nursing trainee allowances, nor have I had any direct portfolio in the health sector. It is therefore strange, incoherent, and deeply misleading for my name to be associated with this matter. This allegation is false, baseless, and a deliberate attempt to drag my name into needless political propaganda. I urge the public to regard it completely. Anyone who knows the identity of the lady in the said video should kindly provide me with her details. I remain focused in dedicating my energy to serving the people of Bantama and contributing meaningfully to national development. Signed, Francis Asenso Boakye, Member of Parliament, Bantama constituency. Pato, so what is? Wacheche mu ose abaya no onim no baby. Also the constituency kra no the constituency kra nursing training school be any o. In as much as baby but ono so ni nchiremu na wo de aba no. There are loopholes in nchiremu no. So what I say? I bet you about to say abaya no one constituency ho. But nursing training school now okono and in the constituency ho. Ebia no kopemwa. So I bet you about say. And you know that kind of explanation now no so the abase nursing training school institution be in the constituency, you know. Does not even hold water. Honorable, with the deepest respect, this explanation does not go down well with the people. This one does not hold. So who catch and say abaya ne dia wunnim ne dia fine, but with the explanation say nursing training institution be a new constituency. Yeah, but and two patches say Bantama constituency hono ye ni nursing training trainees wo ha na call other institutions ye ni bi ho ye ni nursing students wo Bantama constituency or belonging to other nursing institutions outside your constituency. So why this explanation? This is flawed. It should come again. But Batiste also share abayano. watch also share about anybody on piano on fan a mammy. But would you say abaya way pass so no? Said the ono so casano. Would you peace say one only any dim common? Consummate me about bonting the ababe to Jassy. So, what's it?
Menya sure so be na kasam na sabara no.
Debbie.
Aye near encounter on in nyae and possibly situation we am na yes sir. Because again a beba say
about one resono. Ya woni pa pia ya no mu
MP ni ho. Yeah, that's right. And the God to the again a beba say unini nya encounter bia no aba keke say obekasa asem we egun hu fia na bibisa. So there's a possibility somewhere you be but
yo
yeah
obey juma pa ni entua okapato
yeah you know prof share ekromu han ene ma bi wo ho a ensase ye de politics ti say na da bia ye ken she nursing she teachers she our security service
onim me pato mi ntwa wano so me how kese na say say if you know say you have not gotten the financial clearance for the appointments you better don't appoint.
Okay.
Well, clearly when you listen to the deputy minister for finance and then you listen to the health minister, 1 year you for then giving appointment letters to go and work, you know. They hadn't financial clearance from the Ministry of Finance.
Oh, I see.
But because of political expediency, without recourse to Bebia, that is what we have been doing as a nation. MPP, NDC, that is what we do. In election times, we give jobs, we give contracts. Contractor unim say wodi many pano unim say scanning yo now the contract na many pano. So these are some of the problems that we have as a country. I wish we never had an election in Ghana. No, I wish we never had an election in Ghana.
Say ya be ya adwen dakura. Say mo fix the mo anya country mo anya bibia yia ya ntoaba. And politicians,
this kind of multi-party democracy. Me, ABOTCHIE, from where I sit, I can vividly and conveniently say, Ghana ha,
MY now,
MY,
the Kenya monarchy.
Come on, because during electioneering period, a honor, a buy what is what. Promises bebre and a coin where you started the greatest so we bounce and ya got our now we were I kept 6 months to election.
I normally never be go
but obunim say the omo ye no skabi ani ho a obo be tia sa contractor
adan ko da adre no
to say madam for contractor bi the sika kemu papa
oh anu de bebre o
this o say ABOTCHIE onim obi
bebre contract sika kem bebre kwa
sasu na nurses ni teachers wono so mo sika kem na uri ma gudentia aban otiso sesi aba power appointments bi a eye kane aban ye ya o mo revoke ye
I said that
uri ma gudentia because na financial clearance from the Ministry of Finance no ne ni o
dem my
because Kenny why did bet you me Debia, I say it too. I wish we never had an election in this country.
The NSS yenchiao me area me MPK me say because of Sikawe me MPK me say me to aba I should go and tell my colleagues again to enjoy after one yes I can mention his name on Asenso Boakye back to my MP yes he told me that says he can't ma na say yen to aba yen to enjoy please we've had enough
Enough is enough. Pay us now.
Issues. Imagine since 2017, my school till now, and for Swabian and so as I speak right now, the NSS, Yanchiao, Mimi area, me and Pikachu is said because of Sikari, me and Pikachu is a mean swaba. I should go and tell my colleagues again to I enjoy. And so one, yes, I can mention his name. On a was and so watching. Back to my MP. Yes, he told me. He told me that. He told me that. Says he can't ma. Nasi yen swaba yen enjoy. Please, we've had enough.
Enough is enough. Pay us now.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning is so good. So I have received the petition on behalf of my SOMPA. I'll send the petition to them.
We are hungry. 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 We are dying. 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 We are dying.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning is so good. So I have received the petition on behalf of my minister, and I'll communicate. I'll send the petition to him. I will also add a message that you have added to this petition.
Now,
this issue has been brought to our attention. The health minister and my minister
SOMPA
are in constant touch. They are discussing all these issues. We know your predicament. A few days ago, of your colleagues in the education sector came here with a spiller. Give them this one I'm giving.
From a rural constituency. So I have constituents who are going through the same ordeal. I have family members who are going through the same ordeal. But not yourself. The truth of the matter is that we inherited 13,500 of you being recruited without any financial provision. Please listen to me carefully. Now, as I speak to you now, we have collaborated with the Ministry of Finance, and please listen carefully. When it comes to issues of salary, the Ministry of Health then collaborates with the Ministry of Finance. Now, out of the 13,500 people, more than 7,000 to 8,000 of them have been processed and they are receiving salaries. It's not true. Now, we have about 6,500 of you whose documentations are still being processed. What I can tell you on authority is that
issues. Imagine since 2017, my school till now, and for Swabian and so as I speak right now.